I would say that it has transcended to every aspect. He was a former world champion. The world has been so divided. Now we're seeing a whole generation of children seeing the world united and how beautiful it can be. It's not to host matches, it's to lift up the community.
I remember this sentence. I think you and your team have made such a great contribution to the World Cup.
Well, Rebecca, thank you for that very kind comments, and thank you for remembering what I said before. Yes, I mean, we took a very different approach. Our approach was to focus on legacy, what we can leave behind by having hosted the World Cup for our community and lifting our community. And we always thought the World Cup matches would take care of itself. The excitement of the games, the quality of the play, all those things we didn't really worry about. We knew that was going to happen. And so our focus was on how do we connect our communities? How do we bring the event to the people? And so we had a distributed model through our city, right, where we had different fan celebrations through the city. But we also had 9 fan zones across the state. So we were bringing the event to the people, but we also focused on community programs. Things like we were the only city to do 1,400 underserved youth to a World Cup match. So we raised money and we sent for free 1,400 children to the World Cup. So they had amazing memories for the rest of their lives.
Yes, it's very special. And we noticed that last conference we saw a little kitten. When you first planned this special and warm moments in the media conference, what inspired you?
We thought about the community, and we thought about who we are as a community. And so we thought about our main emphasis was around children, community, and culture. And so we wanted to share that and bring the best of Seattle and the best of Washington to the world. But what we thought and what we were really happy about is now we see the best of the world come to Seattle and to Washington. So it was really a bonus.
Just as I mentioned that no one pushed the little kitten to complete the task, and everyone gave them the heart, the warmth. So I think that's just as same as the SIMC give the warmth to the city, to the audience, competition and collaboration between the World Cup and the city.
And we wanted to make sure that the media would have a great place to work, be comfortable, see our city in its best light, because you are the communicator to the world. And many of your colleagues tell me it's the best media center that they've had a chance to work in, even at all the Super Bowls and all the World Olympics and all the different World Cups they've been to, and because you help us tell the story of our city, and we are very welcoming and we want you to be comfortable, and that's just the way we are. Well, you know, we had very high expectations for everything. But what I'm really most proud of is I think we really created and successfully implemented the feeling of what the world looks like when we're unified. When people from different parts of the world can come together from different points of view, and the world has been so divided. Now we're seeing a whole generation of children seeing the world united and how beautiful it can be. That's what I'm most proud about.
Now the game is coming to the last chapter. So what do you expect in the future?
Well, hopefully, 2027 will be the Women's World Cup. And I hope this success they see in the 2026 Men's World Cup helps the Women's World Cup. It was very successful in Australia and New Zealand last time, 2023. But then, what we're hoping is that FIFA World Cup comes back to Seattle for the Women's World Cup in 2031. We love women's sports here in Seattle, and we're very excited to have them come back.
Yes, because the soccer, the field belongs to everyone.
Exactly, men and women.
We appreciate everything you and your team did for the whole World Cup.
Thank you very much, Rebecca. Very
Thank
kind of you
you.
to say that.
Very
Appreciate
kind.
you.